People don't even know what a subject to deed purchase is. A buyer actually acquires ownership of the property while still being subject to the seller's mortgage. So that new buyer is paying the seller's mortgage, and the buyer's name is now on the title. So if the buyer stops making payments on the seller's mortgage, the mortgage company forecloses on the seller, and it hurts the seller's credit, not the buyer's. So again, the buyer's responsible for making the payments on the mortgage. The seller is still legally responsible for the loan, and the property is legally deeded to the buyer. It's important in the house I'm standing in because that new buyer was now the seller of this property, and the mortgage is going to be paid off. Well, I couldn't get the payoff authorization from the seller from before, who still has a loan. And it was going to prevent the closing from the new buyer. And the buyer that did the subject to is making money, so he would lose out as well. I finally got a hold of the person whose name was on the loan, and all is well. And it's a day's work in real estate. Actually, it was a week's work in real estate. And I will be doing another video on all the things that happened during this real estate transaction. What do you all think about subject to purchases? Questions asked me. Follow for more tips from your real estate bestie.